Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing you the spark plug tester from Ancel. So it comes with its own power supply and directions. I've got two old spark plugs here. This is just a good way to be able to check to make sure that they're firing correctly, and also if you want to set your spark plug gap or something like that. So you basically just set them in there, use the protective cover, and then you've got a dial here where you can adjust the power or the voltage output. So I'm going to start cranking it up, and you can see at 2,000 volts. We've got our one on the left is firing a lot better than our one on the right. I mean, it's intermittent. You can see some spark jump there at the bottom, at the base. So I would say this one on the right is not as good as the one on the one on the right is not as good as the one on the left. I can continue to crank the power up. So I'm all the way up to 6,000 volts. You can see it's a little more consistent, but I also continue to have, let's see if I can get the focus. I also continue to have that spark jump there at the bottom. So I don't know if there's a crack in this plug or what, but that would tell me that most likely this right side plug we don't want to use. But I will link to this in the description so you can get one for yourself. They make several other products that you can use as well. Thanks for tuning in.